Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your guy here, Kenny G. And if you're here for the first time, um, don't remember to please remember to give the video a like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. I am your boy here, Kenny G. Um, it's a very beautiful day today. It's Saturday, and guess what? I'm on the train. Yeah, um, the ViA train, and I'm going to Windsor, Ontario, and so I'm actually about 2 hours from Toronto. Um, so I'm on the train now, and everything is going smooth, and it's nice and sunny outside, and yeah, so I'm here. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate that, and it's mean a lot to me. Yeah, and so I got up this morning early. I got up about um, 5 after 5 roughly, and I'm up on the train from Toronto. So this train actually travels from Toronto to Windsor, back and forth. Yeah, and it's pretty convenient. Nice train. Okay, and it's like for the round trip, it's they have different prices, but you know, um, I pay like 176 Canadian dollars for the round trip. It depends on the day and the time you travel. Sometimes it's more expensive. Like if you want to travel, like you know, maybe about midday, it might be a little more expensive. So it's all depends. But the early one, when I was checking on the internet, the early one, it's much cheaper. Yeah. So this is what it's look like in here. Nice seats. You can adjust your seat and sit back. You can take a sleep if you want to. Right. I'm at the window. You look outside. There are lots of trees because we're not in the city. So there are many stops before we get to Windsor. Right. Many stops. So as I said, we are about over 2 hours away from Toronto, right? So we have maybe another 2 hours to go, roughly. Okay, this train is very, very fast. Once it's going, it's just going, man. Yeah, and this is one of our Canadian train. This one go all over. This one travel all over Canada, into the U.S. and so on, through the hills and the valleys, the mountain, you name it. They got it right. Okay, so I have a cup of tea already. You know, didn't need any like special breakfast. So I have a cup of tea. Actually, I bought a cup of tea at the train, and like a medium size, tea. Uh, Price is for 350 for the cup. So it's pretty expensive at the train. Yeah, generally I would have buy tea in the morning, but because I kind of wake up a little bit late, so I didn't have time to make some tea because I didn't wanna late because you have to arrive at the train station about hey, look at the current, lots of current. one thing I noticed here, they grow a lot of corns, and these are some of the places that the farm workers they would come here and they would do crops like corn and cabbages and strawberries and all those kind of stuff because we're way from Toronto. So they plant a lot of crops out here. If you look over there, you see the corn. The other side over there, over the other side. You know, there's a lot of people already get off the train. Not too many people coming on. I think it's because it's very early. You know, actually in the day it will be like more people. I can imagine. Yeah. So yeah. So I just decided to grab a cup of tea on the train, something warm. But I had some oranges because I did make sure I have some orange, you know, that I took with me and some apples. So I ate that, and I'm pretty okay for now. Yeah, and I have some cake, but I don't feel like eating anything now. I just have the orange and the apple, so I'm feeling good. Yeah. So it's a nice Sunday. The sun is shining. Beautiful weather. Should be maybe about 30, 25 to 30 today, roughly. Yeah. So it's beautiful in here. We have air conditioned, really comfortable.
Would you mind not filming me so much?
Oh, sorry.
You're filming me every like 5 minutes, man.
Sorry, man. Yeah. Yeah. And so I have like my jacket because it's air conditioned. So I just took my jacket with me just in case if it's like too cold, I can put my jacket on. So I'm pretty much okay. Yeah, but it's room temperature. It's okay. Okay, guys. So over here is a lot of farm area. There's a lot of farming out here, as I said. Right. Lots of corns and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. Pretty much. Yeah. I've been on a long train ride in a while like this. Yeah. It's pretty good. Yeah, so this is the name of the train. Yeah. Very train. That's the name. And this is the emergency. Emergency. You're sure. Just want to show you can read and see what it's about. All the emergencies. Emergency exit. What you're supposed to do in case there is an emergency.
Were you filming that girl?
Huh?
Were you filming the lady sitting there? You
No, I wasn't doing it. It's just like when I move it around, it
you cannot do that.
catch him. So
You're not allowed to do that.
yeah. All right. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't do that again.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. It's just that this guy that was sitting beside me. I actually sometimes I move my phone around and it just caught him. So you know he just told me, sorry, guys, don't, it was an accident, Oh, anyway, yeah, okay. All right, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. So remember to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right. Okay. See you next time. Okay. Bye.